Hello friends and welcome to my little kitchen.
Today we are back with a new episode. Hope you are loving our episodes and enjoying it and making it. Today we are making corn pops. It's a party dish, a kiddie party dish, and it's even a snack dish for your little ones. So let's
The ingredients used are 2 boiled potatoes, 1 small chopped onion, half a cup of poha, some coriander leaves, half cup of boiled sweet corn, grated ginger, lime, some turmeric powder, some salt and some red chilli powder. झालं.
Now first let's grate the potatoes. Now to the grated potato we are adding half cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 small onion, a handful of coriander leaves, grated ginger, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, and half teaspoon of salt. We are going to squeeze half a lemon. Now let's mix everything together. Yes, the poha powder is a binding we are using to make these pops. Let's take everything together. Now let's make small balls. Now our oil has become hot and we are dropping the corn pops in the oil. Don't touch them at least for 2 minutes. Now let's remove them on the tissue paper. Now let's serve them in a nice dish. Along with ketchup. Hope you liked our corn pops. Please share, subscribe and like and also ring the notification to get such yummy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.